Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make a whiteboard animation in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. So before starting I request all of you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss another update from DLC Ventures India. So let's start with it. So first I will write the text here. Okay, and now I will make it bigger. Okay, and after that I will change it to a script font because I want to make it a handwriting font. So for that a script font is best. So I will choose a font. So Nexa script looks best for me, best for this animation, and I will decrease this line spacing and make the words even bigger. Okay, and after that I will add some sketch so that it looks more realistic, like some books and one camera for example. So I will add those and just download it. Okay, make sure you are using it in PNG format. Okay, so after downloading I will go to apps and here I will write speed pen. So use this one, the one with which a dog face is made, a cute puppy face. So use this one. Click on choose file and use the image which I just downloaded. And make the sketch duration as 10 seconds, color fill duration as 5. You can just work on these settings as you require and click on generate. And it will take some time to make the video. Okay, so the video is ready. Click on add page and add it to the second page. Okay, and let's see what is the design which happened here. So the animation looks quite beautiful and you can just download it and use it for your design. Okay, so this is the whiteboard animation. I hope you like this tutorial. This is a simple one, and please let me know in the comments what new tutorial you want to see next. Thank you.